The Lamborghini Urus is a luxury SUV produced by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini. It represents a significant departure from the brand's traditional supercars, offering high performance in a more versatile package. Introduced in 2018, it quickly became a bestseller, significantly increasing Lamborghini's overall production volumes. Its name, Urus, is derived from the aurochs, an extinct ancestor of domestic cattle, maintaining Lamborghini's tradition of naming its vehicles after fighting bulls. The production of the Urus takes place at Lamborghini's expanded facility in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. This site has historically been home to all Lamborghini vehicle production. For the Urus, the factory underwent a significant expansion, effectively doubling its footprint. This enlargement was necessary to accommodate the new assembly lines and increased production capacity required for a high-volume model like the Urus, while also integrating new technologies for manufacturing. The manufacturing process begins with the body-in-white, or BIW. This refers to the car body's shell before components like engines, chassis parts, or trim are added. For the Urus, this structure is critical for both safety and performance. The BIW must be exceptionally rigid to handle the vehicle's power and maintain structural integrity during dynamic driving. It also forms the primary safety cell for occupants, designed to absorb and distribute crash forces effectively. The Urus BIW extensively utilizes a combination of materials to achieve its performance targets. High-strength steel forms the core structure, providing robust crash protection and stiffness. Aluminum is strategically employed for elements such as doors, hood, and other body panels, contributing significantly to weight reduction. The careful selection and combination of these materials ensure a balance between strength, safety, and agility, essential characteristics for a high-performance SUV. Bringing these diverse materials together requires advanced joining technologies. Robotic welders apply thousands of precise spot welds, fusing steel components. Laser welding is employed for specific areas demanding exceptional precision and strength. For aluminum sections and dissimilar material junctions, structural adhesives are often used in conjunction with riveting or self-piercing screws. These methods create a monocoque structure that is both light and incredibly strong, maintaining the vehicle's structural integrity. Before proceeding to the paint shop, each body-in-white undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Automated measuring systems, using laser scanners and probes, meticulously verify every dimension and tolerance. This process ensures that the frame is perfectly symmetrical and within specified manufacturing limits, which can be as tight as a fraction of a millimeter. Any deviations are identified and addressed, as even minor inaccuracies can impact subsequent assembly stages or the vehicle's overall integrity. Once the BIW passes inspection, it moves to the paint shop. This is a highly controlled environment designed to prevent dust contamination, ensuring a flawless finish. The process involves multiple stages, starting with cleaning and pre-treatment to prepare the metal surfaces. Robotic arms then apply various layers of paint with extreme precision. The paint shop for the Urus can produce a wide array of colors, offering extensive customization options to discerning customers. The painting process is a multi-layer application. First, an anti-corrosion primer is applied, followed by a surfacer to create a smooth base. Next, the base coat, which provides the desired color, is applied in several thin layers. Finally, multiple layers of clear coat are added, which provide protection, depth, and the characteristic high gloss. Each layer is baked in ovens at specific temperatures to cure and harden, creating a durable and visually striking finish. The heart of the Lamborghini Urus is its 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Unlike traditional Lamborghini V10 or V12 naturally aspirated engines, this V8 is selected for its torque characteristics and suitability for an SUV application. Engines are assembled in a separate, highly specialized area, often involving a combination of automated processes and skilled technicians for critical steps. Each component is precisely fitted to ensure optimal performance and reliability for a vehicle of this caliber. Following engine assembly, the V8 is mated with the sophisticated 8-speed automatic transmission. This crucial step, often referred to as the marriage, sees the engine and gearbox join precisely. Subsequently, the complete powertrain assembly is integrated with the Urus's all-wheel drive system. This system includes a central torque differential and active torque vectoring, designed to distribute power dynamically to each wheel for superior traction and handling across varied terrains and driving conditions. The painted body shell then moves to the chassis assembly line. Here, the suspension components, braking system, steering rack, and exhaust system are installed. The Urus features adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization, requiring precise integration. Large high-performance brake calipers and carbon ceramic discs are fitted to provide adequate stopping power for a vehicle of this size and capability. These systems are carefully calibrated to deliver the dynamic driving experience expected from a Lamborghini. The interior of the Urus reflects Lamborghini's commitment to luxury and bespoke craftsmanship. High-grade leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum are used throughout the cabin. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-stitch many of the leather components, ensuring precision and a premium feel. The choice of materials and the quality of their application contribute significantly to the Urus's identity as a super SUV, blending performance with opulent comfort and a distinctive aesthetic. Alongside traditional craftsmanship, the Urus incorporates advanced technology. A sophisticated infotainment system, often featuring multiple digital displays, is integrated into the dashboard. This system controls navigation, media, and various vehicle settings. Driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking assist, are also installed and calibrated. The integration of these complex electronic systems requires precise wiring and software programming to ensure seamless operation and connectivity. The final assembly line is where all major components converge. The painted body, complete with interior and external trim, is lowered onto the integrated engine and chassis assembly. This process requires extremely precise coordination, often using automated guided vehicles and overhead lifting systems. Technicians then connect all the electrical, fluid, and mechanical systems, transforming a collection of parts into a complete, functioning vehicle. Every step is monitored to maintain quality standards. The Urus is typically fitted with large diameter wheels, ranging from 21 to 23 inches, shod with high-performance tires specifically developed for the vehicle. These wheels and tires are crucial for both aesthetics and dynamic performance. Automated machinery mounts the tires onto the rims and balances them to ensure smooth operation at high speeds. The completed wheel assemblies are then installed onto the vehicle, completing its distinctive stance and providing the final connection to the road. With the vehicle physically assembled, it proceeds to the fluid filling stations. Here, essential liquids such as engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windscreen washer fluid are precisely measured and injected into their respective systems. After fluid filling, the vehicle undergoes its first electrical checks and the engine is started for the first time. This initial ignition is a critical milestone, verifying that all fundamental systems are operational before further testing. Before the vehicle leaves the production hall, it undergoes a comprehensive static quality assurance inspection. This involves manual checks by skilled technicians who meticulously examine the paint finish for any imperfections, ensure all panel gaps are perfectly aligned, and verify the correct operation of every interior function, from seat adjustments to infotainment responsiveness. This stage is crucial for identifying any cosmetic or functional flaws that might have occurred during assembly. Once static checks are complete, each Urus undergoes dynamic testing on a rolling road. This specialized test bench simulates various driving conditions, allowing engineers to verify the performance of the engine, transmission, and braking system at different speeds and loads without the vehicle actually moving outside. This includes checks for powertrain efficiency, maximum speed, and correct function of all electronic driving aids. It is a controlled environment for initial performance validation. For the ultimate validation, each Lamborghini Urus completes a mandatory test drive on a dedicated track at the factory premises. Professional test drivers assess the vehicle's handling, braking, acceleration, and overall dynamic behavior in real-world conditions. This track test is crucial to ensure that every system performs as designed and that the vehicle delivers the precise driving feel and performance characteristics expected from a Lamborghini. It is the final dynamic sign-off before delivery. After passing all tests, the Urus undergoes a final detailing process. This involves a thorough cleaning, polishing, and a meticulous inspection to ensure the vehicle is in pristine condition. Protective films are applied to vulnerable surfaces to guard against scratches and damage during transit. The car is then carefully prepared for shipment, wrapped and secured to ensure it arrives at its destination showroom in the exact condition it left the factory. The completed Lamborghini Urus units are then loaded onto specialized transport trucks or into shipping containers for distribution to dealerships worldwide. The logistics involved in distributing high-value vehicles globally are complex, requiring careful planning and execution to ensure timely and secure delivery. From the Sant'Agata Bolognese factory, these super SUVs embark on their journey to customers across continents, ready to deliver performance and luxury. The production of the Lamborghini Urus marked a new era for the brand. Its success has provided Lamborghini with significantly increased sales volumes and financial stability, enabling further investment in future models and technologies, including electrification. It demonstrated Lamborghini's ability to adapt to market trends while retaining its core identity of extreme performance and distinctive design. The Urus redefined the concept of a super SUV, solidifying its place in automotive history.